of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Me know it's easy to pray the wrong way, so Jaja please guide me every day.
Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. The vlog starts today. Time now is about maybe 9:30 a.m. in the morning, 9:30 to 10, and I'm just waking up, tired as hell, because I did do some laundry last night, and then something there. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to finish fold them, but I'm gonna see what I can do. But anyway, I was up doing some things, a whole bunch of things, getting stuff together. And so today I'm just gonna go ahead and pack my suitcase because, honey, my suitcase is still not packed yet. My clothes them all thrown down in my closet. So, and then on top of that, getting ready to pack my stuff, start to declutter my stuff from the closet too. Give myself more work to do. So I got to go ahead and straighten out back my closet, and I'm not even packing my suitcase. I'm throwing stuff in my suitcase, alright? So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that, and then put my medicine cabinet in my suitcase too, because I can't go to Jamaica without my pharmacy supplies. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna get my ass up now, pack my suitcase, maybe get something to eat or whatever, start my day. But yeah, welcome to the vlog, alright? I get my ass up because I'm tired. It's a little bit bleak outside for sure, but hey, yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna go to my daughter's house tonight because my daughter lives closer to the airport, probably like 10 minutes away from the airport, and me live way too far. So I'm afraid that because my flight leaves in the morning. Yeah, my flight leave somewhere around midish day or whatever, but you don't know, you have to reach the airport like 3 hours earlier because of check-in. So we're gonna try to leave way early because we don't know the airport procedure, and just in case we get stuck past something, at least we have enough time and we won't miss the flight. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my daughter's house tonight and leave from her house. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So anyway, I'm also gonna run on the road, take care of some last minute finish up too, and then get myself together, wait till husband come home from work, deal with something for baby girl as well. I still have things to do, but I have to throw things in my suitcase because, honey, I have to get my suitcase ready. So let me get up out of bed. I'm soon in a few, alright? So, alright people, your girl is up. Face morning routine done. So now I'm in my freaking closet, and let's just say my closet is a mess, but I'm gonna bring up on show now still. Alright, good. So this is my present situation, alright? So these right here are stuff that I need to put away. Put away, I'm gonna go through that little pile here. So I have some things that I need to get to Goodwill. I have this package all packed up. All these to go to Goodwill, right? So mad stuff, mad clothes, right? That's when I'll get to Goodwill, right? So bags and bags of stuff, right? But I have to go through this pile here still to see if there's things in here that I want and some things that I don't want, then I'm going to just donate and stuff. So I have to go through that. I wasn't expecting to do all of that, but however, I end up doing crazy stuff. Last thing on the agenda was taking down anything from the end of them. Work. But I did go through some things yesterday though. Some clothes I don't want. Because I have to make my closet like a little bit lighter. But still I have to go through some things right over here. So some clothes I still not want. You know what I mean? Them winter something here. So I'm going to donate all of them something here to Goodwill. We still have some things right here. So winter stuff. I mean, them do make kind of a little bit of sense still. But I don't need all of them clothes there. I want to get rid of some of these. And then on top of that, I have some pocketbooks up there. So like all the one here. This one I'm going to donate. I'll probably keep that. Like a core. With a book bag there. So I'll keep that. And then I have these I'm gonna donate. This one, and this one I have so long I'm gonna donate that. And I probably just keep the little one. The little one are kinda cute. Probably keep the one there. But I'm gonna donate this one. Keep the one there that probably carry this to Jamaica with me. This one have another bag inside. Comes with 3 pieces. I'll probably keep that. I'm gonna bring this to Jamaica. I'm gonna show another one there. And then these are, I'm gonna keep these. I'll keep the vintage one here. This is my Louis Vuitton here. These are all my Louis Vuitton bags on this side. And then this one here, I'm gonna keep that. So I'll probably do that. I don't know. I've been thinking about taking this one down as well. This one kind of cute. But I just buy this the other day. I paid probably like I think I paid like $60 in the bag. Yeah. I really wanted to take it down with me, but I don't think I am because it's going to bring too much attention. I'm not looking for all of that, right? As far as my suitcase is concerned, I buy that suitcase, yeah. I'm gonna buy that suitcase, yeah. In a city trend, yeah. Buy this in a city trend. It's a pretty nice one, and trust me, it is not expensive, y'all. It look like Louis Vuitton, but it's really not. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pack it. So I am going to pack it right here. That's right, so I'm gonna show my stuff that in there, so. And then I don't know, but anyway, back into the closet. So I'm gonna go ahead and so these clothes over here, so is what I am going to be throwing in my suitcase. Them look terrible, but yeah, these are my pile right here. So forgot Jamaica. I not bring no eels, so I not bring nothing there. So them the stuff for Goodwill, and that have to check out what's stained and what's not stained. And then I'll go through my makeup stuff. I have makeup here, so. And then I do have makeup down there, y'all. All them look something there, so. I have makeup in the stuff. Bare makeup bags. So I'm gonna go through some of the stuff. I don't even know if I'm gonna use makeup or not. Maybe not. But I definitely am gonna bring a few little pieces just in case. Just in case. Alright? So yeah, I have my work set out for me. For sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Packing my bag. Because I am leaving out tonight, y'all. I leave out tonight because like I said before, I'm gonna meet up with my daughter. I'm putting it right here, so let me put y'all right there. So I am going to meet up with my daughter tonight and start my journey, right? But we're gonna make a little run first too, and grab some other things that we need at the pharmacy, and then come back and just throw my junk in my suitcase, and that's about it. Finish up laundry, make sure Future having food because I'm picky as hell. So yeah, that is the vlog, y'all. That is the vlog here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start up that. And my office is a mess. Yeah, my office is a mess. Look at my office. My office is torn. Torn. My office. Future him won't stop sleep in the chair. Here. Him having bed and everything, but him won't stop sleep in the chair, so yeah, him take over my office, him take over my closet, and him take over my office as well. But now let's go ahead and finish up my laundry here for sure. Laundry. I have one load in here, so when I have to do. Plus, I have clothes in here, so for fold up people. I have clothes over there, so to clean. Clothes, yeah. I need help, but if we need to get help, we need help. We can't manage it. But we'll go ahead and do this. Pull up some clothes, yeah, so get these clothes washed. That's already we have whites here, and then we have some darks here. So I'm gonna have clothes to get rid of it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm probably gonna just leave some things because I'm gonna think I can't manage all of it. But anyway, good day. When we kind of accomplish certain things, we'll come back on the vlog and show you the things that I'm most likely going to put in my suitcase. Alright, so soon I'm back. Alright, goodies. So it's a couple hours later, and let's just say it's about maybe 6 o'clock. The sun, forget about the sun, but yeah, it's maybe about 5. I don't know, somewhere around there. I don't know. I can't keep up with the time no more because I've just been rushing and rushing and rushing and rushing. I did finish up my laundry. I did pack my suitcase, done, but I have to put in the rest of the things in the suitcase. So, like a pharmacy where I can't do it out, but I am dressed. I'll finish up, put everything in my suitcase, and then what I'm wearing right now is what I'm wearing actually to Jamaica. So, yeah, but I'm wearing a little 2-piece something. This at the top, and that's the bottom. And then I'm just going to wear a nice little flats with it. Extremely cold, but what I'm wearing is pretty comfortable. Very comfortable something. Yeah, comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. So that's what I'm wearing here. That's what I'm wearing. Alright, so now let me show you guys what my future are crazy. Look there. Crazy as hell. Dad is on the vlog. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'll put in the suitcase. Otherwise, from why am I out of bread, people? But anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going. I'm definitely taking these shoes, even though I might not wear them, but I'm still gonna take them. Future all exhausted right there, so. But in here, let's see, y'all. I have my this is just in case my lace cap come off. I have that. Alright, I have some earrings and stuff. I might not even wear them because I'm going to be wearing masks all the time. Just in case my ear won't get fixed, I fix it. I have my cologne here. What else is in this one here? I did decide to bring some what do you call it? Some makeup, not a lot. And like I said before, I'm not really go out like that. But just in case, I decided to walk with my little makeup cushionments here. And that's about it. The little that's it as far as my eyes. If I feel like I want to make my eyes pop, that's how small I decided to go. Very small makeup cushionments in this. So that's what I have in here. Some glue. God have mercy. Now I like me now come back. Makeup eye something. So my makeup is going to be in this one. And then I'll put this over here. So and then in here, of course, your girl have the pharmacy. I do have my hair supply in here as well. Some deodorant. Don't ask me why I bring 2. I'm bringing 2. I bring something for my throat just in case my throat feel funny. You know what I say? And then I do have some hairspray. Don't know why I take that. I do have my Pepto-Bismol. Come I have bad belly. I have to bring that. Some Tums. Come I have bad belly and bad stomach. I have to bring that. Pain pill. Because I have bad belly and bad stomach. I have to bring that. Alright, but this is doing it. So my shoes. My shoes to go over there. So with that. And then I wanted a comb in there. So I don't know why I with 2 comb. I'm probably going to need that still. Then I have my lotion because my skin dry up. And I have this here. This is my good up toothpaste. This is actually the only toothpaste that I use. You know what I'm saying? Then I do have my Dove soap. Because the soap is the only thing. Dove is the only soap that I use. And then this is when my foot them get dry up, I use my Aquaphor. Toothbrush in here. So I have one little lotion that for itching, like if I get bug bite or whatever, I use that. But this is what I have in here. And then I do have this scented oil here that I'm going to use. Hopefully the mosquito don't bite me, man. Bite me up after them smell it. You know what I mean? I say run me down and bite me, but it does smell nice. So I decided to bring it with me. And I think that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and just put everything in this bag that I'm bringing down. Everything going in the bag, yeah. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this bag inside of my suitcase. Just in case I go spend night over or whatever, like at least I have this bag in Jamaica with me, so I can just put like overnight things and just go back and forth with this bag, alright? So that is what is in my bag. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring this with me just in case we need to test somebody before them come around me. All right, so that goes in here. Right, goodies. So I think that settles that for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw that in my suitcase, and then what else? I want to be in my car no later than, let's say, about 6:30. So we'll go ahead and do that. So the next time y'all see me will be at the airport. Yeah, at the airport or maybe on the flight or something, because like I said, I don't know, the airport thing is going on. As far as my necklace and so, I'm not wearing anything fussy. I have this on, but I have some little something I may put on my hand. I'm not even going to wear a watch. I'm probably even going to take these earrings out because I don't want anything going up. I just want a smooth transition through the airport, okay? So basically this is what I'm wearing. I'm going to look at black slippers and that's it. Not slippers, but look at flat shoes, that's about it. And that's it, y'all. So I'm going to just go ahead and put that in my suitcase. Say my goodbyes to hubby and daughter and future in the car. So you will see road trip on the way to Atlanta. And then next time you see me, we shall in the morning, airport, and then Jamaica, right? So soon back. Make sure to send a thumbs up the videos and go there. And make sure to have a notification on so you know when time the new vlogs them up. So from this video, the next one I'm gonna say are the Jamaica vlogs. So